This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Acura RDX garage opener. First, gather your original garage door remote and park your RDX safely outside the garage. Before starting, it's often helpful to clear any previous programming from your home link system. To do this, press and hold the two outer home link buttons until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly, which usually takes about 20 seconds. This ensures a clean slate for your new setup. Now, let's program using your original remote. Press and hold the home link button in your RDX that you wish to program. While holding it, position your garage door remote 2 to 5 inches away from the home link buttons. Then, press and hold the button on your original garage door remote. Continue holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash or solid light. This indicates successful signal reception. For many modern garage door openers with rolling codes, you'll also need to use the Learn button on the motor unit. After the previous step, quickly go to your garage door opener motor and locate its Learn or Smart button. Press and immediately release this button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Acura RDX. This short window allows the home link system to finalize the connection with your garage door opener. Once back in your RDX, press and hold the home link button you just programmed for about 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release sequence a few times. Your garage door should now activate. If it doesn't work immediately, try repeating the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to the distances and timing. Always test the door's operation to ensure everything is working correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.